One guess on what I'm talking about today. This one is for all my boxers out there. This question is by Jenny Lowe, and she wants to ask, "Hi Ryan, I have recently started boxing because I want to be healthy, fit and tone up. But I'm not sure if boxing will help me with the toning part, as I hear so much different views about what boxing does. Will boxing help me build muscle? And if not, how can I build muscle and continue boxing?" Great job on taking up boxing training, Jenny. Boxing is good for so many different things, such as increasing the lung capacity, increasing the heart capacity, increasing agility, and building discipline and learning a new skill set. But it will not help you build lean muscle. Because in order to build lean muscle, you need to be doing loads of medium to heavy weight activities. So you need to be doing loads of lunges, squats, barbell shoulder presses and dumbbell shoulder presses. Those things help you build lean muscle. But cardio based activities are what boxing training is more centered around. So you'd be doing a lot of skipping, jogging and sprinting. Those things don't help build lean muscle. They're good for the heart and lungs and they're good for losing weight, but that's about it. They won't make you more toned because there's no weights involved, so there's nothing for muscle fibers to rip and grow back stronger. So I would suggest, if you wanted to do your boxing training and build lean muscle, do boxing training a maximum of 3 times a week, and then the rest of the week do weight training. So again, 2 to 3 times a week maximum of boxing training for the heart, for the lungs, just so you can feel good. And then you do the weight training the rest of the time a week. If you do that, you should be perfectly fine. I hope that answered your questions. If you have any more, feel free to email and I'll be happy to answer them. Hey super people, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be the first notified when our latest and hottest fitness and fat loss video comes out. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.